Well, we're doing it again. Damn, it's only February. And we're still hauling with Peanut. But we got a turd update. I just left a place called Hemet. It's a little, it's probably a medium-sized town now, out in the middle of nowhere. And, decent little place. I had relatives live there once. But I picked up something for turd, because that's the kind of community you need to go to pick up things for tractors. And, it's going to be kind of cool. I'll save a little bit of the surprise for later, but it's going to be fun. And by fun, I mean hard work. But, usually you have to fight for your fun, right? So here we are again with turd, and I found me a new implement. Found me a plow, and we're going to see if we can make ourselves a victory garden. So, perusing Facebook Marketplace, I found this old plow, and it's a John Deere 44, and it's been modified for a 3-point hitch. Bought it from a guy who was currently using it, so I figured it's got to work. I found another one that was a Ferguson, but it was yard art, and I had to put work into it. And this one was being used, so we went with it. It's got a couple custom features like this. Big fan of $100 worth of washers there. Square bolts. I love square bolts, and everything seems to work. These move like they should. The plow's blades are fairly sharp. And it's used to the hard ground. It was quasi-local. So we're going to see if we can't make ourselves a garden. So I have absolutely no idea how this is going to go. I have never, ever done this in my life. I've avoided hard farm labor like it was the plague. So I have no idea what I'm doing or how to do it. So we're going to try and see what happens. But we got a tractor that's supposed to do it. We got a plow that's supposed to do it. And we got a jerk who's willing to throw risk to the wall. So basically, I just want a garden. And we got, enough property. Let's make a garden, Let's roll some soil. Let's try.
Didn't sound like it struggled or anything.
You what?
Didn't sound like it struggled or anything.
No, it seems like it's plowing. I lifted it up a little, but I think I'm gonna go deeper.
I mean, if you want to. I mean, it got deep over there, but just shallow down here.
Yeah. Well, it was deep, and then I moved it up a little.
Oh, got it, got it.
So I'm gonna go do another. I'm gonna scoot over and do another row.
On this side?
Yeah. I'm gonna back up and do it again.
Okay.
Well, after bumbling around for about 34 minutes, we plowed up 1,200 square feet, 2,200 square feet. So I'm sure someone who knew what they were doing could do it a little quicker, but Turd seemed to handle it well. He didn't seem to really struggle much. It's kind of almost like he was built to do it. But I was worried about that one bald tire, but it seemed to keep going. So what do we got? What do we got to do? Everything's fine. So now we just got to rake this up, flatten it out, and start planting some seeds. That's going to take more than 34 minutes. So excuse me while I get to work here. We're burning daylight. But I guess the point of this is we know the farmer and the cowman can't be friends. I still don't know why. And then if you buy an old tractor, I mean, why buy a new one? That thing seems to do just fine. So now Turd has a good solar little home too. So yeah, well, let's get to work. All right, Jabber John.